my dear students, today's topic is clothes we wear. As we know that there are three basic needs of human beings. They are food, clothes and shelter. And we all know that clothes are one of our basic needs. Nowadays we wear different kinds of clothes. We wear clothes too to cover our body, to protect ourselves from weather changes, insect and dust, to look smart. Clothes in different seasons. In summers, it is warm in summers. We wear light colored cotton clothes. They keep us cool. They absorb sweat easily. These are summer clothes. In winters, it is cold in winters. We wear dark colored woolen clothes. They keep us warm. Winter clothes. These are winter clothes. During rains, when it rains, we wear a raincoat over our clothes. It keeps us dry and safe. We also wear gumboots. People use waterproof clothes to prevent themselves from getting wet. Raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots are made from waterproof material such as plastic or rubber. This is raincoat. This is gumboot. This is umbrellas. Clothes on special occasions. Party wears. We wear special dresses to parties. We wear clothes according to tradition. Suit, lehenga and sherwani are some clothes commonly worn on weddings. Traditional clothes, lehenga and sherwani. Uniform. You all wear a uniform to school. The uniform helps to identify you as a student of your school. The postman, pilot, policeman, doctor, lawyer and nurse also wear special uniforms. Let's see one by one. Identify the people by their uniform. This is postman. This is pilot. This is lawyer. This is nurse. How are clothes made? We wear clothes made of different material like cotton, wool, silk, etc. Cotton. We get cotton from the balls of a cotton plant. The cotton fibers are spun into a cotton thread. The thread is woven into a cloth. These are cotton plants. Wool. We get wool from the hair or flesh of sheep. Wool is also obtained from animals like yak, rabbit and goat. Woolen thread is needed to make woolen fabrics like sweaters, shawls, etc. Wool is obtained from sheep, yak, goat and rabbit. Silk. We get silk from silkworms. The silkworms makes a cocoon around itself. We get silk from cocoons. Silk thread are woven to make silk clothes. This is silkworm and cocoon. Natural fiber. Cotton, wool and silk are natural fibers. Artificial fibers. Fibers like rayon, polyester and nylon are made in factories using chemicals. They are called man-made fibers or artificial fibers. Let's see question and answer. Why do we need to wear clothes? We need to wear clothes to cover our body, to protect ourselves from weather changes, insect and dust and to look smart. What are two types of fibers? Natural fibers and artificial fiber or man-made fibers. What kind of clothes do we prefer to wear in summers? We prefer to wear light colored cotton clothes in summers. How can we prevent our clothes from getting wet in the rain? We prevent our clothes from getting wet in the rain by using raincoat and umbrellas. Match the following. Wool is obtained from rabbit. Silk is obtained from silkworm. Cotton is obtained from cotton balls. And nylon is artificial fiber. Fill in the blanks. Wool is obtained from the dash of the sheep, fleece of the sheep. Silk and cotton are dash fibers. Silk and cotton are natural fiber. Cotton is obtained from the dash of cotton plant, balls of cotton plant. Fibers are made from chemical in the factories. Artificial fibers are made from chemical in the factories. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay students, bye bye.